Never honed before, but I wore out the internet last night watching videos, so this is my go. I've got the cylinders honed. I got the block painted. I don't look too close, but I got the water pump and front engine mount painted. But basically, I got the decks more or less clean. They'll probably need another cleaning before I reassemble, but looking a lot better. And I made a big mess, big mess, but it's now time to clean up. And I think my next step will be, well, I have to clean the block. The inside of the block is had all kinds of junk in it, so I've got to get everything out of there. But that's next time, and order a few parts.